stop playing.
I swear he's playing with the ball.
What? Wait, it's an actual clown.
Don't be down.
It's crazy, bro. Wait, what? It was crazy. What?
Oh my god. I told you guys.
Oh
This is insane.
God. Yo. He jumped the fence.
I need you to go.
It was you.
It's me? Yo guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. The craziest thing just happened. We were chilling here in the house and there's a freaking clown outside in our yard.
And he's challenging you.
And he just challenged me. He jumped the fence, right?
He did a flip.
Yo, we're gonna have to start putting barbed wire on the fence, dude, so clowns don't get inside or something.
Dude, that's insane.
Dude, should we go?
Dude, I think you should go.
You should talk to him first.
Hey, what's up? What are you doing here?
What's a plane?
William, hey,
Oh, you missed, bro. Come on, dude, you suck.
This is our house. How did you get in here? Did he jump the fence? Dude, we have to put barbed wire and electricity on those fences.
What does he want?
What do you want?
1v1?
Who?
1v1.
Me?
Oh, you.
Why me?
What do you have against him?
Probably knows you're sorry in basketball.
Me? Sorry in basketball?
He knows the truth.
Do you not know who I am in basketball?
Wait,
I'm a beast. So you want to play me on a 1v1 on basketball? Are you sure about that? Okay, so let's do something. If I win, you gotta leave, bro, and never come back again. And you also gotta tell your friends to never come here again. And then if you win, I will give you food for a whole month.
Oh my God, no!
Not here. Not
here.
In this house.
Deal?
Are you gonna be the one that cooks?
Yeah, I'll cook. I'll cook for him. Why not? I'll cook for him. Why not?
100.
Alrighty, bro, you got this.
Shoot
That's
for ball.
100 meals.
That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay, shoot for ball. Go. A lot of meals. Let's see.
Boo! You suck.
And watch it.
Play.
Oh.
Damn! He hurt me. All right, you want to play games?
Bro, I believe in you, bro. You got this. Dude, he's literally been missing out every freaking shot. You got this.
Make sure you record this good because I'm gonna give this clown the ass whooping of the century.
Exactly.
Go, check the ball, clown. Yo, guys, this is insane right now. I'm 1v1ing this clown, and if I win, he has to get out of the house. Alright.
Come on.
He's weak. He's weak.
Oh, let's go.
1-0.
Oh, the clown is getting a little mad there.
Again, same move. He's weak. He's weak.
Come on, bro. Oh! Oh! Let's go.
2-0. Play, clown. You know what? I'm gonna give him a chance. I'm gonna shoot a shot.
Oh, wow, you're still ahead. You're still ahead. No!
Still missed it.
Dude, listen, bro. You got this, bro. Come on, dude. You're winning. Yeah.
It's 2-0 right now.
100%. Dude, you're good, though. But you're ahead. Dude, just don't let him trick you, bro. Yo!
Hey.
They cheat a lot.
Oh! Go! No! Oh!
Clown sucks.
Come on, bro. Come on. Oh, shoot.
Come on.
Oh, shoot. Oh! Yo, that wasn't fair, bro.
2-1. Let's go. Come on, clown. Oh!
Oh!
I'm gonna finish this.
Yo! Oh, shoot. Yo, that's not fair.
That's foul play.
Come on.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Come on, clown. Come on, dude. He's strong.
Dude, come on. You got
That's
this.
so strong. Oh!
Oh, shoot.
Hating me, dude.
Oh! Come on. Yo! Oh!
Fighting. Oh!
Hey, are you mad, little clown? Oh, poor little clown. Hey.
Play defense, clown. Oh, you want me to shoot?
Oh. Hey, can I tell you something? Did you know that you're a clown?
Wait, no. Like, bro, guys, comment down below what you think. I think he's a scrub. He's trying to learn basketball. I think I'm gonna have to teach him a couple moves or something. He's not really
poor little clown. Yo!
Hey, no hitting. It's not part of basketball. Okay. Wanna play? You wanna play? Come here.
Come on, bro.
Oh!
Oh!
What's the score? Oh!
Oh, Yo, hey.
Stop cheating.
Oh! That's like
Oh, come on, clown. You got 2 left. And then you're out. And then,
You want it? You want it?
oh,
He's kind of strong.
I don't think so, dude. I think he's kind of weak. You, oh, ow, dude. Yo, hey, dude, stop. Oh, yo, what the heck? Dude, what the heck, bro?
You're the one that's like,
No, dude, bro, you're just mad you're losing. Sore loser.
come on, clown. You know what? I'm gonna shoot it with my eyes closed.
Alrighty, come on, you got this. Dude, no, that wasn't good. Come on, little clown. Oh.
He's gonna catch up.
Oh man, I don't want him to catch up. He's
Dude, I doubt it, bro. You only got 1 left.
Dude, yeah, but it's his ball. Hey, oh.
Yo.
Hey, stop cheating. Yo, guys, right now the score is 6-2. Let's see what happened, on clown. Oh my God.
Oh.
That was fast. He's getting better.
Dude, bro, come on. You only got 1
already
left, bro. I
tired,
believe
dude.
in you. Let's go.
I'm tired.
Sorry now.
Yo, Heynelm. Oh my God. Dude, I'm not about to give you food or nobody's about to give you food for a whole month.
6-4.
Come on, bro. You got this.
Put your head in the game.
Oh, no. Yo, listen up, you little clown. Bro, dude, hey,
get away.
listen, I'm gonna tell you something. You gotta get out of our property and never come back, I'm telling you. Wait, you have a little something there. Wait, let me take it out right here. No, hey, wait, dude, I'm just trying to help you there.
No, yeah.
You have a little, oh!
Hey, no.
Oh, sure, oh! Yo. No, ow.
Hey. Play basketball. It's 6-5. Come on.
Oh.
Right now it's 6-5. He's catching up, and I'm tired. Look how much I'm sweating.
Hey, now you got this, bro. Oh! Come on, bro, you got this. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, shoot.
Out. He caught up to you.
You're gonna bet on the clown?
I'm betting on Heynelm.
You and Heynelm, okay?
Betting on Heynelm.
$100.
$100.
$100? All right, deal. I'm gonna put 200 on
I
me.
don't know. No comment.
Yeah, I'm betting for Heynelm.
Bro,
One
he's
more.
a clown, bro. The clown caught up.
It don't
Yeah, I
matter.
have a question. If he wins, are you gonna cook for us too for that whole month?
He's not gonna win because I'm not gonna let that happen.
But if he wins, you're gonna cook.
I will have to obviously cook for a whole month.
Alrighty, let's finish this.
And us?
Yeah.
Guys, comment down below.
Yeah.
We want them to win. I want the clown.
All right, let's go. Come on, next point wins. Come on, clown. Ready? I got something for you.
Go. Come on, Heynelm, you got this.
Come on, clown. Come on, clown. Come on, clown. Whoa.
Yo, dude, get him out. Oh, shoot, he's about to jump the fence.
Oh, he just said that.
We just picked you up.
Yo, guess
And
what?
give me $100.
You owe us $100. Dude, he didn't believe in you, bro.
I told you. Yeah.
Yo, guys, I just beat the clown on a 1v1. The score was super tight. It was 7-6, and I beat him by 1 point. It was insane. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go inside and hydrate because I'm about to faint. I'm gonna leave this video right here. Comment down below what you think. Want to see me 1v1 more clowns? Comment down below. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.